Hey traders, I'm Tamar Mehr, FXGlobe ambassador, with your weekly overview for the week commencing the 5th of June. So let's take a look at the high impact news scheduled for this week. So on Monday, we have Japanese Service PMI, UK and US Service and Composite PMI. Then we have US Non-Manufacturing PMI as well as Swiss CPI. On Tuesday, we have the Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision. Now, with last week's surprise increase in CPI reading, the market is now placing a higher odds for an interest rate hike, potentially in the months to come. And then from the Eurozone, we'll get the April retail sales. On Wednesday, we have Australian quarterly GDP, US trade balance and crude oil inventories. And later at night from Japan, first quarter GDP. On Thursday, we have the Eurozone first quarter GDP and from the US, initial jobless claim. Lastly, on Friday from Canada, we have unemployment rate and employment change. Happy trading! Bye for now.